Hey guys, Gil or Gray Man Prepping. Just got done doing another sort of prepping here. You saw the videos about the pine tree across the street, taking it down, and that I got all the wood brought over here, added to my supply of firewood here, and I also got something else here. So let me flip this around so I can show it to you here. There we go. So I got two IBC totes filled up with the pine wood chips, and I stomped it down in there to compact it as best as I can. It's not going to compact very good, but I'm going to be adding some nitrogen fertilizer on top of it and wetting it down and getting it to start decomposing now before it gets too cold for the microbes to do anything. And so hopefully a lot of it will be decomposed by next spring, maybe not. But next summer, I will add more fertilizer to it, add some more chips on top of it because it's going to settle down. And hopefully in 2 years, or maybe 3, this will be good compost material for growing vegetables, whatever, in either directly in these IBC totes, or digging it out of here and adding it to the other totes, the other tote raised planter beds in the back. So that's one of the things here I did for this here. This is a long-term prep. This is prepping out for like 2 or 3 years down the road before I can use this stuff. So that's one of the things I did here. Now I'm going to take you across the street here, but I'm not going to make you walk. I'll just bring it back up when I'm over there. All right, so what I did here with the tractor, after I got everything cleaned out of here, I went and used the drag box and the bucket. This was built up around here, all the mulch and stuff from all the pine needles falling over the decades. And so this stuff here is some really good stuff here. I mean, it's just, it's breaking apart. It's mixing a little bit with the dirt here. So it just needs to be kept wet a little bit more to finish breaking down. I scraped some off this way here. So I got several things here piled scraped up for my daughter to try to put in her raised planter beds over there. So this is something else here I did too. I'm going to have to see about getting the guys to bring their little grinder along here. Right along here is a root that's up that the lawnmower's been bouncing on. So I'm going to get this cleaned up here so they can sometime they can swing by and just take 10-15 minutes to just knock that out real quick. All right, so that's what I did this morning. Did a little bit more. I grabbed several about 10 bucket loads of the wood chips that have been stored back over there in the back corner of the property. Got them put back over there at the back of the corner of the garden area that I haven't put any in yet. I also found a big underground yellow jacket's nest out there several days ago, and I've been spraying it with a Spectricide foaming underground yellow jacket spray, and I sprayed it about 4 times. I'd spray it early in the morning before they come out. Later in that, I come out and check it in the daytime. Later that day, evening, when they're all in, I'd spray it again. And the next morning, to be just a couple more still coming out, I'd spray it again. And after spraying it for about 3 days, about 6 times, the last time I sprayed it, there had been no sign of any, but I just sprayed to make good sure. And the last 2 times I was spraying it, the foam had saturated all the dirt around it and it was getting soft and it was washing down in, so I was able to get more of the spray down into the nest. So the foaming stuff is what I found works best for wasps and yellow jackets and stuff. So anyways, I thought I'd share that with you too. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill and work on getting your own prepper garden going.